Hey, fifth grade, Miss Brewster here. Y'all are going to be so awesome at doing these assignments on slides by the end of this month or this year. So you should be really proud of yourself. Today we are going to take the ratio test, or also known as the Chapter 7 assessment. Hopefully, yesterday you and your team were able to work really well together, and your understanding of ratios just solidified even more. Remember, today you are allowed to take out your strategy cards and open them up next to your Chapter 7 assessment to help you out. I'm just going to read through the Chapter 7 assessment. And then I'm not going to be able to answer any questions, obviously, because I'm not there. And the guest teacher is also not going to be able to ask any questions, mostly because I would like you to figure it out. This is not a test on their knowledge, but a test on your knowledge. So you're going to open up the assignment. Please note once again that there are 6 questions with a total of 25 points. The first 3 questions are worth 3 points, 1 point for the correct answer, and then 2 points for drawing a diagram / equation that accurately models the problem. That is your work. And then for 4 and 5, the questions are worth 5 points, 1 point for correct answer, and then a whopping 4 points for drawing a diagram equation that accurately models the problem. Again, that is showing your work. And then question number 6 is 1 point for the correct answer, and then holy moly, 5 points for drawing a diagram equation that accurately models the problem. There are hard copies of this assessment located on the desks in the room. I have written this into the guest teacher plan, so they should know that. You may also just work on a scrap piece of paper. Again, make sure that your work is neat and legible. Make sure that once you take the pictures and upload them, that you can read it, that the answer is clear before you submit anything. I'm not doing any searching this time. Make the answer clear. Circle it, write answer, label it, etc. All right, question number 1. There are 8 apples in a box. Of the apples, 3 are red and the rest are green. What is the ratio to the number of red apples to the number of green apples? Here, do show your work, because you do get 2 points for explaining your thinking, even though it's multiple choice. All right, number 2. Find the unknown value, and 4 to 5 equals 16 to blank. Again, 2 points for showing your work, even though it is a multiple choice question. Make sure you show them that work. Number 3. Nyan gives $24 to Mary and Linda in the ratio of 1 to 3. How much money does Linda get? Again, 2 points for showing your work here. All right, number 4. This one is worth 4 points for showing your work. All right, number 4. The amount of time Ron spends on his computer is twice the amount of time he spends reading. What is the ratio of the time Ron spends reading to the time he spends on the computer to the total time he spends on both activities? 1 point for the correct answer, 4 points for showing your work and showing as much work. Remember, this is a brain dump. Get as much information as you can that you know about Ron and his reading and his computer time here. Number 5, again, 1 point for correct answer, 4 points for the work. The ratio of the number of apples to the number of oranges to the number of pears is 3 to 5 to 2. There are 15 oranges. How many fruits are there in all? Again, brain dump, everything you know about that problem. And then finally, 1 point for the answer, 5 points for the work. The ratio of the ages of 3 children is 1 to 3 to 5. The oldest child is 12 years older than the youngest child. How old is the middle child? I'll give you a slight hint here. A bar model may come in handy with this one. All right. Once you have no other choice but to work on your assessment for the entire period, they must be submitted by the end of the period. If you're running into some time trouble, send me an email and we can work something out. I don't want anybody to run out. I want everybody to be able to finish. So just send me an email if you are having some trouble. Again, good luck. You guys are going to do so awesome. You've rocked this ratios assessment, or this ratios unit, and I look forward to seeing how well you do on this assessment. Okay, you can get started.